Frida, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, magkakaroon tayo ng dance tutorial ng Binibining Marikit or yung Marikit Dance Challenge. So, let's go!
Muli ng aking pag-ibig, ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko. Binibining Marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay ipong habang buhay na ito. Ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko. Binibining Marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay ipong habang buhay na ito.
Start guys yung ating first 8 counts. Okay, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, saba. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, naman niyo ba? Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so next is 1, 2. Okay, go nyo. Okay, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from the start. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next 8. 8, 7. So hila lang. 8, 7. Hila. 8, 7. Okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. Kanyo from here. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, one more from the start. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6,